Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by registering an Exness account and choosing whether you'll operate as personal or business. This affects payout options. Once done, complete KYC immediately, upload a government ID and proof of address, because verification unlocks the affiliate dashboard. After verification, navigate to the affiliates section and copy your unique referral link. Make sure to set preferred currency and payout method now, since these determine fees and timing. You now build tracking and campaigns. Add sub-ID and campaign names to know which channels convert best. Once that's in place, create targeted content, tutorials, paid ads, and email sequences. That explains Exness benefits and includes your referral link with a clear call to action. Make sure to wire tracking into your analytics so you can see clicks, registrations, and funded accounts. That data tells you where to scale. Pause low ROI channels and double down on what works. You finish by optimizing payouts and reviewing performance metrics weekly. Set sensible payout thresholds and confirm payment credentials so transfers aren't delayed. If commissions seem missing, gather evidence, screenshots, timestamps, user ID, and contact Exness support promptly. Make sure to reference referral ID and campaign sub-ID. Finally, test your referral links and creatives regularly and update them when landing pages or promotions change.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.